Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you some new products that I've got from Madam Glam. These are very kindly gifted to me. I say work, this isn't sponsored, it's just a gifted video. But I have worked with them in the past and yeah, I've got on really well with their gel polishes. They are stunning, really nice. They last so well, really good quality, and the colour range is really quite extensive as well. I also really love their press-on nails. These ones that I've got on now are from them. Don't get me wrong, I love a good set of Primark nails for like a few quid, but these ones last really well. I normally get about 3 weeks out of these. They're so strong. They're like really thick, but not too thick, if you know what I mean. Thick as in, you know, if you get a good set of acrylics done. But they're really strong because of that. And yeah, they're just beautiful, really nice. I like these kind of natural coloured ones because I find that, you know, you can put gel polish over the top of them if you want to, do a bit of nail art, whatever you like to do. But yeah, I've just stuck them on as natural, but I do plan on, you know, zhuzhing them up a bit, shall we say, within the next couple of days. I will film that, but I'll do that as like a short or, you know, a TikTok, something like that. So today I'm going to show you my, I'd say summer, it's nearly over now, isn't it? But my summer toes. So I normally, sorry, dry throat, I just had a bit of a coughing fit there. I normally like to do gel toes in the summer because in all honesty, they last about 6 weeks. So I do them at the beginning of the summer and then they'll last me through to, well, in the UK, the end of the summer. So I'm a bit late coming around to doing them this year, but you know, never mind. So I grabbed some really cute colours actually. So I picked up these three here. These ones look similar, but they're not at all. This is the first colour that I picked up, which is one I actually might put on my nails that I said in the next couple of days. So really pretty. This one is called Eggnog Latte. So if I show you, it's like that. So it's a really nice colour. It's like a beautiful creamy nude colour, which, you know, is a very classy shade. I really like that. And then I also picked up this one here, which is the one I actually might use on my toes because it looks really fun. It's like a real neon pink and very on trend because it's called Barbie Girl as well. So I'll give you a little close up of this one too. So it looks like that. And then lastly, I grabbed this one. I love a kind of a deep purple nail, really cute. So this one is called Because I Said So. And this one looks like that. How beautiful is that colour? Really nice. Really nice shade for fingers or toes as well, that one. Probably use that one in the winter on my toes. And then I also picked up a new top coat as well. Really love this. It's a no wipe top coat. So, you know, effortless. You just plonk it on, cure it, and you don't have to wipe it off or anything at the end. And then, as I say, I also grabbed some of their press-on nails. So these are actually the ones that I've got on now. So they come like this. They're presented in this really beautiful packaging. They do come with the nail stickers in there, which are pretty good. I have tried them and they are pretty good. I normally get about a week if I use those, but I'm quite heavy-handed. So I tend to glue mine, you know, prep them and then glue them on. I find for me, that's how I get longer out of them. And then they also sent me some new stickers as well. So there's loads in here. How many adhesive tabs? How many is in here? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how many's in here, to be honest, but there's loads anyway. So yeah, there you go, tons. So if you do like to use the adhesive tabs, then there's plenty in here. I'll use them, you know, if I just want a quick change just for a week or whatever. But yeah, as I say, I just prefer to glue mine on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and film me doing my gel toes. I am going to go with Barbie Girl, I think, because I'm really feeling like a neon pink. So I'm going to go with that shade and film it as I go along. So here you go. So I'm going to start off by prepping my nails first. I'm taking my cuticle pusher and just pushing back my cuticles just to make sure that my nail plate's nice and free from any skin or anything. You can obviously, if you get some excess skin, you can use your cutters to remove that. I didn't need to do that, so I just went ahead and took the buffing block and just went over the surface of my nail to remove any kind of oil, any roughness, yeah, and just to make it nice and kind of fairly rough enough to take the base coat. Then I'm just removing any dust from my nail with a nail brush. I like to really get in there because if you get any dust underneath the polish, it's a bit weird and gritty. So next, taking my nail prep and just going it over my nails. I always use this. It's really good because it just, again, removes any oil, any residue from your nail. So next we're going to go on with the base coat. So this one's actually from the Naughty Nail Fairy. I just needed to get rid of this. I needed to use it up. It is a really good one, don't get me wrong, but Madame Glam do some really good base coats as well. Just trying to get not too close to the skin, but leaving a tiny margin. Just so it looks neater, and also so you don't get any air going up there as well, which is going to cause the gel to peel off. And then of course capping the free edge as well for the same reason. Little handy tip, I just use my nail just to get rid of any residue that's on the skin as well. So once that's done, I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and take the Barbie Girl Shade. So looking forward to this. It is beautiful. Just look at that pink. It's really bright. Lovely neon shade. So exactly the same method that I just did with the base coat. I try and kind of use the brush just to very lightly brush over it quite a few times afterwards, just to make it look nice and even. You know, it just gets rid of any brush strokes or anything like that. Such a beautifully opaque colour as well. I did notice that, and this, bearing in mind this is just the first coat, it's you know, it's really opaque. So then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds under my lamp, and I'm going to go over again with a second coat, so exactly the same thing that I did last time, and obviously cure it again for another 60 seconds. Then we're going to use our top coat. So this is a no white top coat. Absolutely love these because they're great. You just apply them and then you cure them. No need to wipe off or anything, and they leave a lovely shiny finish as well. So again, exactly the same method that I did in the first two stages, making sure to cap that free edge as well. And then once we've done that, we're going to cure that for a very last time for another 60 seconds. So there we go. As I say, you don't need to wipe it off or anything. It's lovely and smooth and shiny. And this is how they look afterwards. Beautiful. Such a nice colour. Just look at them. They're like mirror shine on them as well. Beautiful. So there we go. There's my summer toes already. Yeah, really beautiful shade. It was really quite opaque as well. When I put the first coat on, it went on so nice. Like a lot of the time I found with neons, they tend to be quite kind of wishy-washy. I had a neon pink from the Gelish range in the past, and I found that it was quite kind of not transparent, but just, yeah, it needed a good few coats or an undercoat of white or something like that. Whereas this one, beautifully opaque. It's like 2 coats was absolutely perfect, but 1 coat, you know, it was good. but obviously you need that second coat anyway. So as I said, what I'm going to do is use the eggnog latte to do my nails within the next few days, and as I said, I'll pop that on a short for you. I will leave the links to all the products shown in today's video, including the ones at the beginning of the video, in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!